Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is my chicken tractor, and I've got this out in my garden area. If you look over those trees over there, my land goes all the way to there, and about 3 or 4 times that length. I'm not going to have all that in garden. No way I could eat all that or give it away, because a lot of times you try and give it away and people want you to pick it and prepare it for them. But fertilizer is going up. I'm doing this on my memory. Fertilizer was like, for farmers, was like $245 to $265 a ton. It has gone up to $845 to $865 a ton. We're going to have shortages this year. There's just no other way around it unless something happens. There is a fertilizer company in Africa that they're kind of rationing their demand to keep the price artificially high, or that's my take on it, and to make money. And I understand they're in it to make money, but sometimes when things are bad, you have to forego that for the better good of everyone. But I'll be adding at least 3 more of these, 4 more going over this area, and I'm gonna mark it off. It's just not gonna be willy-nilly. I'm gonna be marked off because the average chicken over a 24-hour period has a pound of excrement. So I've got 4 pounds in this space, and I kind of consider this a intense grazing area, for lack of a better word, and I'll move them on. I've also got 4 buckets of dried chicken manure, and I can probably get 4 to 6 more buckets of chicken manure to broadcast on my garden. And I've probably got at least 6 buckets of rabbit manure, but the rabbit manure is going to be used to make my water mixture to water my plants with, because this year is a serious garden. I think it's going to be a survival garden, and I know a lot of you may think I'm gloom and doom, but I've been keeping up what I've been reading, and I just don't like it. So I'm going to be doing a lot of videos as far as using chicken manure in the garden, because you can buy, what is feed now, $20 for a bag of feed, and if you feed them, you convert that into getting eggs from them along with fertilizer, and so you kind of have to look at your return on that. And chicken manure is wet, so you've got like a 30% dry, so you can say you've got like 3/4 of a pound of fertilizer from each chicken after it dries out. And I'm going to be having them in this field area, just moving them around on new garden areas. And the thing about these chicken tractors, they'll eat all the greens. They're picking over the greens now. There's not a lot right in here, but they'll be moved tomorrow to a new area, and they've got their feeder right there, that PVC pipe. That's a feeder I made for them. They just stick their head in right there and get their feed, and it keeps it from getting scattered, and they can go up top to roost or lay eggs. But I'll probably have a combination of birds to keep going like this, because I've got to have hens, and because eggs, eggs will probably still be available. It's just, can I afford them? If you can, I'm glad you can. But if you can't, look into being able to do some container gardening. A couple or 3 tomato plants go a long way. And let me know down in the comments section if you think I'm wrong. I'll have a polite debate with you on that. I have no problem doing that. But that's Joey. Joey, he's bad. And but just let me know down there in the comment section, what are you doing? Are you stocking up? Are you buying groceries? Or what's your situation? And thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. Thank you, Joey. God bless.